Hello, friends. It's Miss Julie from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts, and I'm here today to share a craft with you. So we're getting ready for Christmas soon, so we're going to start doing our Christmas crafts. Tomorrow is the first day of December. I have December up on my wall over here, and I'm getting ready and festive for Christmas. So I'll show you the supplies you need to make this reindeer craft at home. So you're gonna need these. Do you know what this is? Yeah, paper towel or toilet paper roll. So you just need one little short piece like this. If it's a long one of paper towels, you can cut it. So I got one of these. You're gonna need your scissors. You're gonna need some glue. So I have my glue stick, okay? Glue stick or glue bottle. And then you're gonna need a piece of ribbon. I have some red and it's got little gold. Just need a small little piece. And then you're gonna need one pipe cleaner, black or brown, for the antlers for the reindeer. So we're gonna cut it. And then I have a little pom-pom for the reindeer nose. If you don't have one, that's okay. You can draw a red nose on with your crayon or marker. And then you need googly eyes or stickers, or you can draw your eyes on with marker or crayon. I have some tiny black dot stickers. All right, so I think what we'll start with is the reindeer nose. So you're gonna take your glue and you're gonna, sure it's got glue, and then we will put the reindeer nose on with our glue. And it doesn't take a lot. And I'm just gonna hold it for a minute. And then it sticks, okay? Now I'm gonna either draw, you can draw eyes, or you can use your stickers or your googly eyes. There's many different ways you can do it. So with the eyes above the nose. Stickers is good practice for fine motor to practice your peeling. There he is, there's his eyes and his nose. Now, oh, he's looking at you. Okay, I'm gonna put him right here. And now we have to do the antlers. That's what reindeers have, antlers. So I have my one pipe cleaner, and I'm going to bend it in half. You bend it in half. Okay, and then we're gonna use our scissors. So be careful, friends. And I'm gonna cut it. I have two pieces. 1, 2. All right. So there's one way we can do. We can either glue these on, or you can poke a hole. I think I'm gonna try to poke a hole. I'm gonna poke a hole. Put my. You can use a pen or your scissors, or if you have a hole puncher, that would be good. Put a hole. Okay. I'm going to use my glue to glue my reindeer antlers on. So I'm going to turn it around. Here's this front, here's the back. I'm going to take some glue and put it on the back. Put my antlers on, okay? I got one. That's one. Look at that. We only needed one piece of our we cut. All right. So look at how I did that. I'm holding it on there so it can stay for a minute. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around and show you. That's how he looks now. Great. Okay. Now the other piece you have, we are going to take it and fold it in half again, and we'll cut it and make it smaller. And then we'll tie these onto the other pieces. Take it and you use your scissors carefully. You got 2 more pieces. All right. Now our reindeer looks like this. We're going to take this piece and we're gonna wrap it around. I'm gonna hold it up and show you. We're gonna wrap, okay, gotta be careful because your glue is still drying. Okay? Let's see how this will work. Be careful because your glue is still drying. Okay. Okay, there's one side. See, there's one side. Looks good. Now we gotta do the other side. Still got that little piece. Okay. And I'm just twisting it. Pipe cleaners are bendable. They twist. You really don't have to glue them together. We just have to glue the one onto the okay. Okay. Look, looks great. There's our reindeer. Oh, the piece of ribbon is going to be a scarf for him. Let's get our ribbon. So I have this red one. Let's see how that's going to look on our reindeer. Oh, it's going to be very festive. So what you do is you wrap it around the toilet roll. It's going to be his scarf. And then mine is going to be able to tie. I'm going to tie it in a little knot. I'm going to tie it through. And if you want, you can glue it, secure it with glue. And if you don't want to, you don't have to. Oh, he looks so fabulous. Maybe I'll make a mouth on him. Okay, here's what he looks like. Now I'm going to make a mouth with my marker right here. All right. See how he looks. Oh, he has a cute little mouth. Cute little mouth. Okay, guys, it's going to take some time to dry, but all right, there he is. Oh, there's our toilet paper roll reindeer. Oh, okay, friends. So if you enjoyed this craft, post a picture of your reindeer craft below. I would love to see them. And then tune in next time. Let's see what other crafts we can make together. Bye.